Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to this BONK video update today, and there's something going on with BONK. Something is going on with Bitcoin as well. Now we're looking at Bitcoin trying to make some reversal candles on the 15 minutes time frame, and then you also have BONK here that has a technical target down to 1895. But I've seen Pepe making a fake out. If you can watch the Pepe update, basically it's simple. There was a descending triangle with Pepe, and we saw Pepe dropping down, retesting, getting rejected. But before it went to the main target, it actually reversed midway, and it actually went to the upside, right? So is this the case going to be the same for BONK as well, where you break down and then you go back, and then instead of coming down to the target, you go back up? The market is in an uptrend. Keep that in mind. We are in a bull run. Don't get me wrong here. We are in a bull run since past 8 9 months or so. Okay. And during a bull run, it's actually much easier to make fake outs of a bear pattern because now the market is bullish. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's very, very tough job to start to open up short position when you are in an uptrend. It's very risky, and you're going to see fake outs again and again. But at least for now, in before I say that there's any fake out, it's going to be important for bond to come to the upside and try to move up to 2600 one more time. So if I go into the 1 hour time frame, there is a pattern that I kind of notice, and it's almost as if we are making a diamond bottom right now. Even Bitcoin has one. You can watch the Bitcoin update. So you're doing something like this. You might do something like that, and you can also see something like this as well. So you are going to make something known as a diamond, because now all of this shape looks like a diamond. And especially when you come from a downtrend, that means a reversal back up. But in order for this to play out really nicely, if you do break above here just a little bit, which you are about to do so, then you can expect BONK to come up to 2433. And also, if you do even better, then you are going to continue back up to even 2624. But if you come down to 2147, then that's going to be an invalidation, and you might continue to drop down to a technical target of maybe 1800, as we spoke before. So that's all for the BONK update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.